Lovely by Jess, and you can read this on Epic. If you type in the word lovely, it should definitely come up. So if you would like to read this book on your own time, whenever you want, log into your Epic account and it will be right there. What is lovely? Lovely is different. Black, white, tall, short. Lovely. Simple, complex. Fluffy, sleek. Lovely. Soft, sharp. Big, small. Lovely. You can probably see the letters on the rings that spell out lovely. But this is also sign language, how to sign lovely. L-O-V-E-L-Y. Lovely. You know how we go like this when we agree in the classroom, like same. When we ask to go to the bathroom, that's sign language. Fancy, sporty, graceful, stompy. Lovely. Lovely is different, weird, and wonderful. Lovely is you. Lovely is me. We are all lovely. That is the end.